Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a brand kit on Canva for when you are working on materials, training materials, documents, and handouts that you might be using for the company that you are working for. A brand kit is a way to keep all the colors, fonts, and logos from the company's style guide all in one spot. So when you are working on a project, it is all easily accessible. When you log into Canva, on the left-hand side, go down to where it says Tools, and underneath that says Brand Kit. Click on Brand Kit, and this will hold all of the brand kits that you have made. So if you look at this brand kit that I have here, and you can see I have logos, I have colors, and fonts. So when I'm working on a project, all I have to do is find the colors and the fonts from the company style guide, and it is much easier than scrolling through each time. So to create a brand kit, you're going to go up to the right-hand corner, and you're going to click Add Brand Kit. And then you're going to create your brand kit. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I am using a make-believe company. I'm just going to call it Learning, and then create. Now you are at a page that has no colors, fonts, or logos. So we're going to set it up for the company. This up here will pop up. It says create your branded templates. This is if you want to create your own style guide. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to be creating a brand kit as if we are working with a style guide that we've been provided. So let's go ahead and add the logo. Hopefully you have the logo already on your computer downloaded. So I am going to upload my logo for my fake company and press upload. And one of the cool things is it will automatically extract colors from the logo. Now, maybe these colors aren't exactly correct, so you might want to remove them. Usually they're pretty accurate though. Also, there might be other colors that you want to add that the company has provided for you. So to do that, the best thing to do is to see if you can get the CMYK color formulas from the colors that the company has provided. Now, usually when you get a style kit, the CMYK codes or formulas are already in there. So I'm press plus, and this would be the formula or the code for color. So the one that I was provided, just to show an example, was B08221. And when I press enter, the color shows up. This was one of the colors I was provided. Then let's do another one. E8C453. And then the color shows up there. Okay. Now we're going to add the fonts. So to add a font, you need to upload a font or the font that the company is using. You can also use a pre-formulated font. These are fonts that are pretty typical for most computers. So for the purposes of this, I'm just going to create using a font that is already listed. So for this one, I'm going to use Allegria. And then it creates here headings, subheadings, and body style using that exact font. You can, of course, edit it if you are supposed to use a different font for each style.